of the internet, Abby here from Twist Me Pretty. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be sharing my favorite workout hairstyles with you today. I wanted it to be like workout hairstyles, but really these are hairstyles that you could wear to the beach, to the pool, mountain biking, outside exercising, on a hike trail, all the things. These 5 hairstyles will get your hair out of your face and they're super cute. So stay tuned for that. And then I figured it's been a minute since I've done a Fabletics haul. I mean, I just did a spray tan yesterday, so I'm like, yeah, I need to be showing off my spray tan. Anyway, I'm gonna be sharing my monthly haul, which I'm super excited about. If you guys have never heard of Fabletics, it's a brand that was started by Kate Hudson. The cutest workout clothes on the planet. They're doing beach cover-ups and stuff too. I get all my sports bras, my shorts, my leggings, my tops, everything from there. And if you become a VIP member, you actually get any 2 bottoms for $24. Everything else on the site will be 50% off, free shipping. New styles drop every Thursday. I'll make sure to leave all of the details in the description. And a big huge thank you to Fabletics for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into it. Outfit number 1, I kind of have to stand far back, so hopefully you can see. But I have this really cute swing top. I have these in like a red, a pink, a white. They're my favorite. They look super cute with like high-waisted clothing, leggings, shorts, you know, that type of stuff. And then I paired this like mint color with this red sports bra. And then these are the sculpt knit shorts. They're like the coziest thing. So I would probably wear this like on a trail up in the mountains, maybe bring a little jacket with me just in case, depending on how hot and cold we are. But this is outfit number 1. What do you guys think about it? Outfit number 2, look how cute these leggings are. They're tie-dye. So these are Motion 365, which means they're high compression. It'd be great for high intensity type exercises. Same with this sports bra. Holds the girls in real nicely. I actually got deodorant right underneath the mirror when I was putting these on. So I'm like blowing it dry in the mirror. Matt's like, what are you doing? I was like, it's fine, just go away. You don't need to know. There is a pocket on the back of the sports bra. This is the coordinating piece. And then right here, there's this really pretty crisscross detailing pockets on both sides, you guys. This is amazing for phones and for all the things. But anyway, this outfit number 2. Do you like it? Outfit number 3, look how cute these joggers are. I'm a little bit obsessed. They're super lightweight, so they're gonna dry fast. They'd be great to take to the beach. They'd be great to do like an early morning jog in. They'd be cute with a hoodie to wear boating. Anyway, I just have on this blue sports bra from the last outfit and I just paired it with this white crop top also from Fabletics. And can we please talk about the pockets? Outfit number 4, look how cute this is. Do you see this sweater? Is this a sweater? What actually is this? Is it a cardigan? I don't know what it is. It has buttons, it's a V-neck, so it's not like a hoodie or a sweatshirt, but whatever it is, it's adorable. I paired it with these jeans, just these like ripped jeans, so that you can kind of see how versatile Fabletics clothing is. Even though it's athletic wear, you can wear it for athleisure, you can wear it traveling, you can wear it on date night. I'm obsessed with this sweater. Just the pattern I think is really cute. It brings me back to like this like 80s vintage vibe, and then it has this like this bra with it, so. Do you love it? Outfit number 4. Last but not least, this would not be a true Fabletics haul unless I showed you some power hold shorts, especially for the summer. They're my favorite. They're high-waisted. These ones also have pockets, and I'll show you up close and personal. They are high compression, which is my personal favorite because I like to feel like held in when I'm doing like HIIT exercises and stuff like that. Well, look at this top. Super cute. I was like a little bow on it. Let me show you the sports bra now. Do you see the red and pink? I'm obsessed with the back of this. And then it has like some mesh right here, which is a little cute detail. But this top that I was wearing earlier matches the back. Cute, right? So this would be for those early morning mountain biking rides, which I'm so excited to take. Just out of curiosity, what outfit was your favorite? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? That's a lot of outfits. That's a big haul for me. I am curious, have you guys ever heard of Fabletics? Have you ever tried it? Let me know your experience in the comments below if you like it. Let's get on to the hair tutorials. My hair is just crimped from yesterday. I can share a tutorial on that later if you want. Way number 1, I'm just gonna use a clip and middle part, pull these front pieces back, and I'm going to just clip them back. I like to do this when I'm lifting weights and I'm gonna work up a sweat, but I don't necessarily need my hair out of my face. because then I can kind of rescue these curls. And when I'm done working out, even if I'm like super sweaty at the nape of the neck, I literally just let my hair dry. And then I put some dry shampoo in it or whatever. But I feel like this is just a really safe and super easy way to get the hair out of your face without actually destroying your curls. Way number 2 is boxer braids. So you're just gonna split it down the middle, clip off a section of hair, and then we're gonna do a Dutch braid. Basically what we're doing is we're taking 3 sections. The bottom strand goes under the middle and the top strand goes under the middle. Your finger placement is super important. I will make sure to leave a slowed down version of this in the description. But then we're just adding new sections of hair to each side, braiding it under the middle, adding in a new section to the top strand, braiding it under the middle. To the bottom, you can either do buns or you can just braid it all the way down. Before I tie it off, I'm actually going to stretch it. Do the other side. We're gonna do an elastic. Succession of elastics. Number 3. For the 4th hairstyle, you guys, I know this one is pretty basic. We're gonna use another claw. We're just gonna pull our hair up in like a low ponytail. Put your finger right on top of the ponytail and then twist it up. And then we're gonna take this claw and we're gonna lock it in place. So I like doing this because this also salvages the curls just a little bit. The claw is kind of loose, but your hair is nice and protected. And the 5th hairstyle, I'm gonna put a hat on. I will link this one up below. I'm gonna take one of these coils. I will leave the link to all of the things in the description. Anyway, I'm just gonna pull my hair over and we're gonna do a fluffy little kind of messy bun right here. Stretch it out, and then I'm gonna pull the fringe out. The 5th hairstyle, la, 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 la. Do you love it? I don't know, I just feel like I'd rather be simple with my workout hairstyles and focus more time on getting ready after the gym. But I do have a couple tips for post-workout hair. My very favorite thing is honestly like to take my hair out the second I get done working out, and I'll turn my air conditioner on in my car and just let my hair kind of cool off and dry, and I just get it like as fluffy as possible. Let me know if you would like to see a video of that process, and then if it needs to be blown out when I get home, I will just blow out the roots that are wet and kind of restyle it from there. So dry shampoo works great. But yeah, I'm only washing my hair once a week. Hairstyles saved my life, and I hope this video helped you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see next. I'm kind of thinking we need to do like a roundup of these claw hairstyles. Huh? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If I get enough interest, I will do a roundup of my favorite hairstyles to wear with claws. Okay, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.